Good evening. It's that time of night when we take a look at some of the big world weather stories. And I think the biggest of all over the next few days could well come courtesy of this beautiful swirl of cloud on our satellite image. Now, this is violent Typhoon Hagibis. You can see in the centre of the storm the eye becoming increasingly well defined. Wind gusts in the centre of the storm a short time ago were around 170 miles per hour. And while the storm will weaken a little as it drifts northwards, it is heading towards Japan. Southern portions of Japan, including close to Tokyo, could see flooding rain and damaging winds from this typhoon during the start of the weekend. And that could have an impact on the Rugby World Cup match between England and France. Certainly on current forecasts, it looks very wet and very windy indeed. For the Japanese Grand Prix at Suzuka, by the race day on Sunday, I'm hopeful things will be drying up and brightening up a little bit with some spells of sunshine coming through. Now to North America, on the satellite picture, you can see this stripe of clouds. This is a weather front. It's bringing some outbreaks of rain and sleet, but increasingly some snow. This is today's weather chart. You can see that snow pushing its way southwards. But ahead of it, it's as if summer has been holding on. Denver, Colorado, around about 28 Celsius through Wednesday afternoon. But notice some much colder air waiting in the wings up to the north. Now, let me show you what happens over the next 24 hours. We push this band of rain, sleet, but increasingly snow southeastwards. Some spots across the north of the USA could see around 30 centimetres of snow. And look what happens to the temperature in Denver. No more high 20s. We may not get above freezing in Denver tomorrow afternoon. Extraordinary swings in the temperature. And then those temperatures bounce back again through the weekend and into next week. We can see big temperature swings in the US at this time of year. That is exactly what we've got. Elsewhere in Boston, an area of low pressure bringing wet and blustery weather. Dry and rather windy conditions in California, bringing the potential for significant wildfires.